look out, that's jammed in there. I was only probably 2 foot down. Next to that log there, on that side. Yeah, they do. Fish number 1 on the card.
Got him. Got him. Oh, you're joking.
Walk her on and just be tossing it over the back of other boats. Hook up to a metre fish. He normally just drags it behind the boat about 6 feet.
Yes. Oh, that was another cod, was it? I like plastics, small plastics apparently.
Embarrassing actually.
Oh, hot.
Huh?
So, it's not bad looking.
No, I was talking about the fish and you talking about fucking snapping your leader off.
It's not bad looking. I've never seen it personally. I thought that's what you said. Apparently it's
Clint, there's a bat in the house. What the f***? Why are you up? Oh, I was just doing some study. I get up and fucking half glassy-eyed and here's this fucking swallow-sized bat hooking around the kitchen. Hear this sort of noise and I turn the light on and he's just cruising around the bedroom. Because it's an older place, it's got like those interior vents.
yeah.
Those, and they must be in the roof and they just pop out. You get one every 6 months sort of thing.
room, you turn the lounge room light on, the kitchen light off. Yep. Fly to the next room, so on and so forth too. It goes down the passageway, out the laundry door. Yeah, right.
You don't have to try and run around the house like a they're fucking hard to catch.
Not bad either.
Good fish.
Better than what we've had, though.
Where did he come off, Dan? Just off the side of the log.
Yeah.
Yep. Got him? Oh, me.
Oh.
Hey.
That's a lure running mid-water, and again a fish off the bottom,
Yeah.
travelling 2 metres up.
But they're not that switched on. So they're coming 2.5 metres off the bottom, but they're not switched on to take it.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Pardon me.
Couple more round.
For your jumping brim.
The fish. Oh. Want to get the net, Clint?
One body. Good body. Good body.
And that fish just disappeared. We didn't even say a word. Oh, that fish just disappeared. Turned into his lure, didn't it, Clinton?
No, nothing.
Nowhere. Wasn't
Yeah. Just cruising. We're just cruising around because they're little runty rats that
Don't have a life.
Don't have a life. They're not going to believe me.
It does not look like 57. It's just fucking long.
That's 3 at 57.
Let us know when you see the fish. Yeah. This cop, Daniel? That's fine.
Oh. Got the unbreakables. Yep.
Oh yeah. Good work.
Always remember there to thought I seen a one on the top. He's up. God. Oh, hallelujah.
You got one, brother.
You got one. Hurry up, man. Two people wanted to fish so bad
Yeah.
before.
Yeah.
One that got you the other day.
How's the fishing, brother?
Yeah, good.
How good?
Not really.
Not really. Pretty
Good
tough.
weekend.
Yeah, pretty tough, eh?
Yeah, tough.
Yeah. Yeah, good weekend. Tough fishing. We had a ball though. It's a different sort of dam, and we're definitely newbies here, but we put a few cod on the card, so we'll go and check in for the final time and get loaded up and out of here.